Another top story on News Channel 11 at 5 on this Friday. The mother charged with the murder of her toddler daughter appeared in court earlier today.
Megan Boswell was arraigned on those charges, and her attorney told us he will request a change in venue. Boswell faces 2 counts of first-degree murder in the death of toddler Evelyn Boswell. An Amber Alert was issued back in February. Investigators then discovered her body on a family member's property in Blountville March 6th.
District Attorney General Barry Staubus today said the state will decide whether to seek the death penalty against Megan Boswell by the time she appears in court, and that's supposed to happen in December. Caitlin Clucks in Kingsport in our newsroom there with more on what happened in court today. Caitlin?
Right, Josh and Sarah, the state could decide to seek the death penalty, life without parole, or neither. And today, Megan Boswell's attorney entered a not guilty plea on her behalf to all her charges.
All right. That'll be all for Miss Boswell's case today.
19-year-old Megan Boswell was arraigned on first-degree murder charges in her daughter Evelyn's death. Judge James Goodwin set December 3rd as Megan's next status hearing.
On that date, the state's supposed to determine whether or not there'll be enhanced punishment, which would be the death penalty or life without parole or not. And that decision hasn't been made, and we'll have to announce on that day.
Sullivan County District Attorney General Barry Staubus said a number of factors go into the enhanced punishment decision.
Well, you look at the facts, you talk to the victim's family, you look at the law.
Megan Boswell's court-appointed attorney Brad Sproles filed 2 motions. The first, a bill of particulars. Sproles said he wants more clarification on Megan's charges of aggravated child abuse and neglect.
Both of those based on what they refer to as serious bodily injury, but it doesn't, that's all we know. They don't, so we've asked the state to clarify those statements as to what bodily injury they are referring to.
Sproles' other motion was for a change of venue. This could mean Megan's case would be tried in a surrounding county or even further out. Staubus said an outside jury could also be brought in if the change of venue request is granted by the judge. Sproles said the motion is due to the amount of media coverage on the case and not wanting a jury to be influenced by it.
Under our rules here in Tennessee, it has to be based on the amount of media coverage that a case has received, and I think that it's clear that that's the case in this matter.
Megan Boswell remains in the Sullivan County Jail on a $1 million bond. Sproles said he has talked with Megan since she was indicted for murder, but a COVID-19 outbreak at the jail has limited their meetings.
What is her reaction then to all of this?
I'd rather not say at this point. She, obviously is charged with as serious a crime as she can be, so, she's very serious about it and understands the gravity of what she's facing.
Historically, it is rare for a change of venue request to be granted in the court system, but tonight at 6, we'll take a closer look at what this means and whether Megan's case could be an exception. Live in Kingsport, Caitlin Cluck, News Channel 11.